Hey, what's up, everybody? If you didn't get to go to GDC, then hang on for just a second because I've got something pretty exciting to share. If you're a game developer and you want to meet other game devs, this weekend, the 15th of April, we're actually hosting an online pre-event meetup for all of our Game Dev Guild attendees. We're hosting the meetup in Gather, which is this really cool game-like setup that allows you to have a virtual expo hall so you can run around, talk to other developers, join in on fun, interesting conversations, and easily duck out if you get bored or need to do something else, or just turn your camera off. It's like walking around with a mask on. It's a very cool setup, and it's a good opportunity to meet other devs, though, talk to asset publishers, and even meet some of the sponsors and ask them questions about their stuff. We're also going to have a couple really interesting roundtable discussions. With the one that I'm really excited about is going to be the final one where we'll talk about AI in game development. I think that things are changing a lot, and it's going to be a very fun, interesting conversation that you're not going to want to miss out on. Speaking of not missing out, even if you can't make it to the pre-conference event, you don't want to miss Game Dev Guild. It's coming up May 1st through the 5th. We're going to have a ton of great speakers, including the CEO of Unity, John Riccatello, Jabrils, Thomas Brush, Lana Lux, Johnny Thompson, and a ton of other people that you've probably seen before, including some of the Unity experts that are building the tools and systems that you're using. And if that's not enough, you also get a bunch of free subscriptions for Unity, Rider, Odin, and a lot of my other favorite tools, and a couple $1,000s in free assets from the asset store. So make sure you register now, come join us at the pre-event, and come to Game Dev Guild. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're not going to want to miss out. You'll learn a lot and have a lot of opportunities to meet other game developers. All right, see you there.